Hello and welcome. In today's video, where I'll show you how to share your location on WhatsApp quickly and easily. So let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Next, open the chat with the person or group you want to share your location with. Now, tap on the attachment icon at the bottom of the screen. From the menu, select Location. If location access is not enabled, a prompt will appear asking you to allow WhatsApp to access your location. Just follow the prompt and allow it. Then you'll see a map with a few options. You can choose to share your current location or your live location, which updates in real time for the duration you set. If you select live location, tap Continue to confirm that you want to share it. Next, choose how long you'd like to share it for: 15 minutes, 1 hour, or 8 hours. Once you've made your choice, tap Send. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials.